Never put off tear to what you can do today, man. Dj-Povenzoe, nous pouvons le faire encore again and again, man. Ça que t'as dit ça. Dj-Povenzoe, c'est nèg Haïtia qui peut le faire en l'autre bagaille again and again. Yo, Ken Lick Deal. Yo, Jashida Ules. Povenzoe, lié tonton.
Yon l'autre game, yon l'autre vibe, yon l'autre duet, yon l'autre touche. Povenzoe lié, Dj-Povenzoe lié. Yon l'autre game, yon l'autre vibe, yon l'autre duet, yon l'autre touche. Povenzoe lié, Dj-Povenzoe lié.
Kakak balvouille.
Hein?
Eh ben,
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
Every moment that I'm awake, every hour of every day, I love how you take my breath
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
in your arms, I'm safe, secure, every care around me melt away. When you hold me, I forget every word that I wanted to say. I'm really lost in your love, there's no one else for me. I surrender completely. Oh, my heart's racing, I'm shaking, caught up in the love we're making. This is no ordinary love, oh baby. Your skin on my skin, oh, it's so good, I feel like crying. This is no ordinary love. I don't ever wanna say goodbye, I can never breathe, never survive. Baby, you're my reason why I believe there's meaning in my life. I have faith in love, faith in us, and faith that this is right. I surrender.
Divagation, disons-nous. Depuis je me tourne le jeu.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
Depuis je me tourne le jeu. Gardez-moi pour trembler. Quebra-moi plus fort. C'est comme sous comme. Por favor, m'a demandé.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe,
C'est
get wet,
comme
papa.
sous comme. Por favor, espino e meu. Por favor, espino e meu amor. Mamacita, mamacita, mamacita. Mamacita, mamacita. Yeah, yeah. Mamacita, mamacita, mamacita. Mamacita, mamacita.
much more than to say you love.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
Love me, call on me sister. When you love someone, love from the heart. 'Cause love is the start, yeah. Love is the answer.
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
Love is the key. Open the door when they're closing your face. Love shows you the way when you are lost, and can't find your way. Love me, much more than
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
This is my fantasy, but do you see it happening, girl? Oh, don't you know you got me dreaming for so long? I've been wishing I
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
that it may never really happen.
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet,
I
papa.
keep on dreaming, dreaming. Every day just drives me crazy, and I try to run away from all the things that
So much guns in the streets and none of them gun they never make ya. Tell me how come AIDS is spreading wild, taking over this sweet paradise of Jamaica. Tell me how come the Canadian youth going down and everything's going up around town. Tell me how come Mother had to get gunned down. Cause life is so unfair in this sweet paradise, and this is what we swear. Out of many one people, can you see that anywhere? Everyone treated equal, and this is why so many die, leaving so many to cry. Tell me how come the youth them downtown can't receive the education like the youth them uptown? Tell me how come Jack, you are the jail and the prosecutor always in the same.
I've seen it all. Whoa.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, Papa.
Don't hesitate, oh girl, I'm gonna go and give it my all. Girl, I try my best to hide it, but I'm falling.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, Papa.
Girl, I try to stay away, but love keeps calling. Let's put it out in the open, confessions long overdue. It's happening all over again. Why do we
I never
keep
knew that before I met her. She was far away. So many people will live and I receive and I give them. Far from reality. One of my friends crossed the bridge, right which part me live in there. Far away. Most of the people that living in place, and the spiritual one them living by grace. I will never forbid them my face. Corrections put in the right place. Yeah, you wear your shoes without the socks to catch fungus. Yo, you have to judge it like the Asian Congress. With them sandals and them brooms, you can never bound us. The more you sleep, we give them chance to drown
Yo,
us.
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, Papa.
She was far from reality. I never knew that before I met her. She was far away. So many people will live and I receive and I give them. Far from reality. One of my friends crossed the bridge, right which part me live in there. Far away.
Take another step up toward my destiny, but the memories still remain deep in my brain and my soul. I hold the key. Then it's never gonna be the same throughout life and beyond all eternity. Yo, we keep burning up the flame. Wish I could rewind all these ends of time and bring back that the Ghana great virgin of mine. I and remember all the things that we spoke of, all of the secrets and all the things we made joke of. Still cannot believe they took your life away, but those who pull the trigger cannot take away the covenant, the righteous of with God. Just so I know I see again my brother when we sing. So when we look up in my life, it's plain to see that it's ever gonna be the same. Take another step on toward my destiny, but the memories still remain deep in my brain and my soul. I hold the key. Then it's never gonna be the same throughout life and beyond all eternity. Yo, we keep burning up the flame. Beyond the friends and family that pass
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, Papa.
They just can't stop you. 'Cause we are lovers, you and I, together forever. Ain't gonna change, the only change must be the weather. Some people have for vanity, well, some is just a pleasure. Girl, I love you like every day, and my love cannot be measured. So come stay with me until the end of never.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, Papa.
Running out of rank you and me. Respect goes out to you. Respect your mama working the brain. You feel the children down the lane. Respect goes out to her. Don't you ever give up, no. We've got too much to live for. Remember,
Dj-Povenzoe, yo, Dj-Povenzoe,
yeah.
yo, Dj-Povenzoe, yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, Papa.
we don't know how
how she do it. Oh, just see us through, 'cause only you can answer our prayer. Respect the hustlers in the streets, finding how to make you and me. Respect goes out to you. Respect your mama in the brain.
That one and trying to call my phone. Baby, you just one. Don't want you get me in a trouble. You just one. And trying to call my phone. No time. Me feel like me da beat her if you listen to my situation. Girl, I'm one like the she no reason. Me send her back to school go get her education. Now she a take a bad man police to the station. And I'm saying
from night to morning, I can feel the chills going straight through my veins. You're my sunshine right through the day. You're the cure for my pain. No matter what, you brighten my day. Boy, you give me the sense of attraction. You make me feel more than the natural. Without you, I'm only a fraction. Need the satisfaction, ready for the action. You know that I'm lonely without your love. Can't live without your kisses, without your hugs. Without you, what I'm gonna do? Baby boy, you know that it's true. Bring me sunshine straight to the rain. From night to morning, I can feel the chills going straight through my veins. You're my sunshine right
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
If you want me to stay the whole night, girl, I ain't putting up a fight. Hey, you turn me on with the sexy shape and form. If you want me to stay the whole night, I ain't putting up a fight. I tell you from the first time when me and her touch skin to skin, or the whole night is spending on the rocking cabin. Hardcore loving when me up the rock and put in. When me baby girl that thing, just tell you how the sweetest thing. You know say that me a the king, and me know me a me queen. Ain't no separating, it's a mutual thing, and it's a natural thing. Let me tell you about sexual healing. Hey baby girl, hey you turn me on with a sexy shape and form. If you want me to stay the whole night, girl, I ain't
nation, Jaja. That we no want me no lamb to no slaughter.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe,
protect my people, Jah. A Babylon start this wildfire. Protect my nation, Jaja. Protect my nation, Jaja. Downtown and up playground, you know. Holy potential trouble surround. Marcus prophesy, head I go roll. Me wonder if prophecy I go unfold. Uptown, down go downtown.
Your life can be better. I'm only grinding so life can be better. I'm only grinding so life can be better. I'm only grinding so life can be better. Nobody take the love from me, girl. Do me take myself out of the picture. It's just for a while, but I want to get richer. I want enough youth, so my place I'm a bigger. Nobody take the love from me. Baby girl, I understand how you're feeling. I know it hurt, but you know I'm leaving. You're crying your eyes out, girl, because you know I have to go this evening. But baby, wipe the tears from your eyes, cause you know it's the work of me out every night. Everything soon be alright, so nobody fight. One thing more why you realize me a work your relationship and what pressure. Can't take the quarrel, tired of the fuss and fight.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
Alright, yes I'm okay, baby. Cause if you're leaving, there is the open door. Cause I don't wanna.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
You're so insecure, and if you're going, girl, what are you waiting for? I've been through this before. a chat. It's not like say me can't get none. The girl a bun me like a bakery. She's been another man's baby. Sister Kalonzo right here. Time to shine. Girl, to make you mine. Hey, hey, hey. Woo-hoo. Healthy, whitey. Baby girl, you're looking strong and stealthy.
If it ain't about love, tell me what does it worth? If you ain't gonna love me, might as well let me know. Cause I'm a man, I got no time to play around, girl. And if you gonna do me wrong, I won't stay around. I'll be there
Dj-Povenzoe,
all through the weather. Girl, I care for you, make things better, yeah. Love will last as we get older.
don't go as planned. I learned that the hard way.
Dj-Povenzoe,
I will never ever let it tear me down. Even if it's your way or the highway, I can't control how I feel for you. So I told myself to let it go and let it be. Cause in the end, what is true will remain true. But girl, I just want you to know, no matter where life will take us, even if we go our separate ways, doesn't matter how much it breaks us, I will love you anyway.
Whoa, yeah, it's tough out there, yeah. After all I sit and sit down, from morning me I run up and down. Send the youth them out to school, make sure that they have them.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, who get wet papa. Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, who get wet papa. Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, who get wet papa.
Goodness prevail, never leave I. Pressure, I step aside, Rasta on the rise. Militant future Babylon can't brutalize. Warriors are full of book sense and streetwise. The meek shall possess the earth and have vast thy prize. Conquer the world and Babylon still a make nice. Look how much black family you make cry. So no things you used to do right now we not gonna fly. Now gonna sit on one side and apply. Your evil's policy will not fit with the underprivileged. Set a plan to keep separating the villages. Them don't know the art and not just people images. Still a climb the ladder no matter what it is. Warriors around the earth.
No man shall not hinder. Bitter heart, bitter thoughts, leave them all in the past. Cause I got no time to linger. Life is a winding road, and nobody knows the pain I've known.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, who get wet papa.
Can't keep me slow and carry me through streets and alleys over hills and valleys and paths.
Every time you leave me, then we come back home. Baby, I'm not games me a play. I and
Yo,
I would never
Dj-Povenzoe,
ever stray.
who get
When
wet
you say you
papa.
lock me in your comfort zone, get me solid as a rock, you know me tough like stone. I believe that love is a powerful thing, a feeling deep within. And if you believe in love, free up your mind, let this flow within. As early as the morning star, I'm giving thanks for this lovely thing. Girl, with every beat of me heart, beat of me heart, me pray that you that never part. Cause no other girl no hold me so tight yet, baby.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, who
None
get
of
wet
them never
papa.
please me, sir. Treat me, sir. Lord, you feel so right. No girl never squeeze me.
Affection you will show.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, who get wet papa.
Every night I wake up crying. Can love really be so cruel? It's taking over me and you. Can we go back to the day we first met? Yeah, 'cause I'm not ready to give up just yet. I say yes, I say no. I wanna stay, but my heart says go. I say yes, I say no. I wanna stay, but my heart says go. Go. My heart says
I'm on to care about your girl each and every night. You don't want a man to make you cry. You don't want a man to come telling a lie.
Yo,
This is where you want
Dj-Povenzoe, who
attention,
get
girl.
wet
Them the
papa.
thing that make you feel so right. Loneliness is taking over. I don't see sheet on the pillow comforts her at night. I even though the girl live alone and she not have a good man in her life. She said she not gonna give it up now. She a whole
get dread papa.
Girl, you need a good man in your life. A real man in your life. I'm a speak here about your girl.
Girl, I got to tell you, this is not the case. I know that you're much more than a pretty face. And from the moment I saw you, girl, I wanna get to know you. So slow down, I need a minute of your time to explain to you what's really on my mind. Wait a minute, baby, you don't need to move so fast. I see our future together, and I know it's gonna last. But you keep on putting up resistance, but I'm gonna get this deal. So you keep on putting up resistance, girl, I'm gonna use my skills to get.
Seek your first, and if you're lost, He will guide you on the way, righteous way. Hear you whenever you cry, and He see you whenever you lie.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, get dread papa.
He alone can solve. So if someone
Let my hair down and have a good time.
Dj-Povenzoe, get dread
But
papa.
everywhere that I go leaves me in further depression. On one side are the girls, the next are the boys form a line. I remember the good old days when we had to sway when the music played. And you know when you touch the lawn, from dusk till dawn, when dark on the way.
for see them ease the pressure on Jamaican, it will be. Cause we're born with the will to survive. Always just an nomination, yeah. There's a change and you can feel it everywhere you go. In the news you can hear it on the radio. What's next you could never know. It's unfair, all the system is designed just to scare you. What's the scenario? Underwater go dry up so no kind of grow. For talk the truth now you off your tiptoe. I just been out
Then you want go not then so you
Yo,
love
Dj-Povenzoe,
me know
you
I
get
go
wet,
do it
papa.
again. You know you're hot then cold, in and out. Want me then you wanna be friends. Then you want go not then so you love ram so. Me know I go do it again. No, this is not a joke thing. Why you laughing? When you really are dealing with
Dj-Povenzoe,
stop the
you get wet, papa.
while I'm talking. Stop playing with my feelings. Better you know me or not chat to me. Just see me and not see me. Last night we lay down, you turn your back to me. Like you love me and not feel me. You know you're hot then cold, you're in and out. You want me then you wanna be friends. Then you want go not then so you love ram so.
Marcus Garvey, black.
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, you get wet, papa.
Bill Clinton, black. How you think about that? How a leap and great, some of the greatest people in African history document that. So free all black people, live all black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chains in the brain, them chop people. So free all black
Dj-Povenzoe, you get wet,
people, free
papa.
all black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chains in the brain, them chop people. Yeah, my point is. In every earth, I mean, no matter what the fight is. And it was written long before the 80s or the 90s, before the colonel find the herbs and spices. Black people don't get caught in a them system. Just overcome and don't become a victim. Cause them system set for them get the future all the history.
You are the one for me. Never second guess if that we'd be right here, right now. I swear I vow to always pick you up when you are down. Don't you know you're the one that I need?
Yo, Dj-Povenzoe, you get wet, papa.
Without you, my life's incomplete.
Dj-Povenzoe, get wet, papa.
Vamos ver, pumpa dread. Yo jou kan men fok mwen jwenn. Imagine nan yon peyi tan kou Haiti. Depi che bote se yo pale mal sou boti. Yo pale mal de yo ti tout bien koze. Sa yo a men bezan konen ki esouye non. Respect pou tout nek ki just original rastaman. Nek ki pa nan volek, pa nan bati, ek pa nan gang. Lo we rasta fok pou respect den.
It's the right to say goodbye. No, no leave me. No leave me. Give me another chance, give me another try. It's the right to say goodbye. She said it's time for me, you know. But I got to do what I have to do because I can't do this no more. With you, it ain't worth it. You need to find something or someone else to occupy your time because I can't do it.
Kakak balvouye.
Hein?
Eh ben,